Hi, and welcome to the Intertwined Nutrition and Wellbeing Lazy but Healthy series. Have you ever come home from work and opened the fridge and realized, I was meant to go to the grocery store? And then you think like, maybe I'm just gonna get pizza. It's easy, right? But let me show you what I found in the fridge and pantry and how I utilized it for this lazy but healthy meal. So, I usually have garlic in the pantry anyways, but I also found half a red onion, I found some leftover cucumber, some spring onions, some tomatoes, some spinach and a carrot. Not a lot, but yet it can still be used. Then in the pantry I found some lentils. Lentils are a great source of fiber as well as protein. Just don't forget to rinse them. And I cannot emphasize it enough, always have a stocked up pantry. Then I will also add some walnuts and some sunflower seeds. And all we're gonna do with it is cut up the veggies, chuck it all in a bowl, chuck in the lentils, the drained and rinsed lentils, and mix it all together. Now let's add the nuts and seeds and some salt and pepper. For the dressing, I'll have some olive oil, some sesame oil, and a tiny bit of rice wine vinegar. Now let's mix it all together. This is really quick and easy to make, very lazy, which is really good. But feel free to add whatever else you can find. Maybe some quinoa, some couscous, boiled potatoes, baked tofu, avocado. I mean, options are endless. But the more you add, the more fiber, the more protein you will also get, which is definitely a bonus. I hope this gives you a few more ideas on what to make as a lazy meal, and I hope you enjoy. See you next time.